was sober, man, I felt bad. Worst hangover that I ever had. It took 6 hamburgers and scotch all night, nicotine for breakfast just to put me right. Cause if you want cool, if you want